Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if you are getting error when you are updating the Google Chrome browser. So as you can see guys, same problem, same error I am also facing. So when I am updating guys, as you can see guys in my screen, an error occurred while checking for update check failed to start. So after this guys, here you can also get the error code 4. So finally I have got the easy and simple solutions to fix this problem. So let's get started how to fix this problem. So when you are facing this type of error message on your browser guys, so just you need to restart your Chrome browser, close the Chrome browser, and you need to restart your PC one time. So after restarting guys, hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Now once again go to your Google Chrome browser update, click on three dots, go to help and about Google Chrome. Now it will fix your problem. Okay, so as you can see guys, now my Google Chrome browser was updating successfully, as you can see guys. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to open the task manager on your PC. Okay, hold control key, shift key plus escape button from your keyboard. It will open the task manager with the help of shortcut. Now in the process tab, from here you need to find out the Google Chrome, right click on it and click on end tasks. Okay, now it will forcefully close your Google Chrome browser. After closing, open the Google Chrome browser once again and try to update your browser. Now hopefully this time also fix your problem. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to press Windows key button and here you need to search services, and in the services guys you need to find out Google Chrome update service. Just open it and in the startup tab extend it and here you need to select automatic. Okay, after this guys just click on start, click on apply and click on OK. After doing this guys, open Google Chrome browser once again and try to update. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem guys, final solution is this guys, you need to uninstall the Chrome browser from your PC. After uninstalling, just you need to reinstall it, that's it. So these are the final solution. So I have shown you 3 to 4 steps to fix that problem. Hopefully one of them will work with you. So that's it for today guys, a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.